All right, time for another unboxing. Ooh, one thing in here. Perez Carrillo Triumph. Let's take this plastic off. And here's what we got, baby. Oh, wow, nice. Triumph is the pinnacle of years, tirelessly dedicated to the creation of 3 outstanding cigars. Wow, look at that. Felt. Nice felt box. We got the Pledge, 2020 number 1, Encore 2018 number 1, and La Historia 2014 number 2. Prequel, Majestic, whatever, E the Third. Wow, look at that. These are nice. Pledge, Encore, and La Historia. I don't think I can get them out of here. Oh yeah, I can. Let's see. Wow, look at that box though. Alright, I'm dumping it. Nope, it ain't even working. Start from the bottom. There we go. Wow, look at this. This whole thing is beautiful. Nice wood. And all like velvet felt inside there. Look at that. Man. That's a nice little gift set. Some great cigars. Look at that. That is such a nice box. It didn't come with my little invoice or nothing. Can't remember what I paid for it. But it was a decent price. Especially, compared to buying them individually. But they are definitely a nice cigar. I think I got this from Holtz, I believe. Actually, was it Holtz? Can't remember. Yeah, Holtz. Got it from Holtz. I do also have the Cigar of the Month Club. I do have it from Holtz as well. I think they seem to be the best one. If you guys know of any other ones that you think I should try for a Cigar of the Month Club, let me know. Something that's not really expensive. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. That's a nice set of cigars. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video.